Hello students, today we will discuss assignment model by using Hungarian method. So let's start. So today's topic is assignment model, Hungarian method. So let's talk about the algorithm of the Hungarian method. Number 1 step, preparation the assignment table or matrix. Number 2, check is it a balance problem or not. If no, then add dummy rows with zero allocation or column with zero allocation. Step 3, check is it a maximization problem or not. For example, profit matrix. We basically solve cost matrix. If the matrix is given in terms of profit, then it is called maximization problem. If it is no, then convert it into a minimization problem by subtracting all the elements from the largest element of the matrix. After obtaining the reduced cost matrix by using the above step, let's come to the next step, that is obtaining the reduced cost matrix or table, row operation. Subtract the minimum element in each row from all the elements of that row. Similarly, column operation. Subtract the minimum element in each column from all the elements of that column. Step 5. Draw a minimum number of lines to cover all the zeros in the matrix or the table. Check does the number of lines drawn equal to the order of the matrix or not. So next step, does the number of lines drawn equal to the order of the matrix or not, we have to check. If it is yes, then optimum solution is obtained. If it is no, then step 6 we have to follow. Subtract smallest uncovered element from all the uncovered elements. Subtract the smallest uncovered element from all the uncovered elements. Add it to the elements that lies at the intersection of two lines. Keep remaining elements unchanged in the revised cost table or matrix. Step 7. Now draw the minimum line to cover all the zeros in the table or in the matrix. After that, if the number of lines drawn equal to the order of the matrix, then solution is optimum. If no, then repeat the step 5 once again to get the optimum solution. So let us consider one example. This is the assignment table given here, and if you observe here, this particular matrix is balanced. It is 5 by 5 table, 5 by 5 matrix, and it is a cost matrix. It is given, it is a cost matrix. So first two step, preparation of the table is done. Next step, whether it is a balance or not, it is done. Now check whether it is a maximization problem or not. This is not a maximization problem because it's a cost matrix. It's a minimization problem. We have to reduce the cost. So first 3 points has been satisfied. Next come to the next point. Row operation. Row operation. For that purpose, we have to select the minimum element in each row. So for first row, minimum element is 8. For the second row, minimum element is 6. For the third row, it is 12. For the fourth row, it is 17. And for the fifth, it is 10. Now you have to subtract 8 from all the remaining elements in the row. So if you subtract 8 from 11, it became 3. 17 from 8, it will be 9. Then it will be 0. 16 from 8, it will be 8. 20 from 8, it will be 12. Similarly, you are getting 3, 1, 6, 0, 9, 1, 4, 3, 0, 4, 4, 7, 0, 11, 9. In the last one, let's once again do the same thing. Here in the last row, minimum element is 10. So 10 is 14 minus 10 is 4. 10 minus 10 is 0. 12 minus 10 is 2. 11 minus 10 is 1. 13 minus 10 is 3. So row operation is done. After row operation, you have to perform column operation. So in the column operation, you have to check in this column. If you observe, so here you have to check column wise. In this column, the minimum element is 1 here. Here it is 0. Here it is also 0. This one is also 0. Here it is 3. So let's perform the column operation. So if you so 1, 3 minus 1, it is 3 minus 1, it is 2. Then again it is 3 minus 1, 2, 1 minus 1 is 0. Then 3 minus 1 is 4 minus 1 is 3. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Because it is 0, it will be remain same. 1, 4, 7, 0. It will be 0, 6, 3, 0, 2, 8, 0, 0, 11, 1. This one is the smallest element. It will be 0. So 9 minus 3 is 6. 4 minus 3 1. 9 minus 3 6. 12 minus 3 9. So this is your new revised matrix, cost matrix. After that, you have to draw a line in such a way that number of lines should be minimum to cover all the zeros. So if you do that, if you observe here for this particular row, here number of 0 is 1. This one is also 1. Here it is 2. This is also 1. This is also 2. Let's check in column wise. Number of 0 in the first column is 1. In the second column it is also 1. In the third column it is 2. In the fourth column it is 2. In the fifth column it is 1. Now this is the tricky part. You have to draw a line such a way that minimum number of lines you have to draw such a way it will cover all the zeros. Now if I draw a line like this way, first line like this is line number 1, second number line like this, line number 2, third line is suppose this L3, and this one L4, and this red line crosses all the zeros. Now you have to check the number of lines is 4 is not equal to order of the matrix, which is 5. So it is not the optimum table. Now you have to get a revised table to get the optimum result. How to get the optimum revised table? So if you observe here, this particular line crosses here, these two lines, and here. So it will be this position where line is crossing these two lines and these two lines. And let's check the uncovered element. Uncovered element is this 2, 9, 9, 2, 1, 6, 3, 7, 6. Those are the uncovered element. Among the uncovered element, 1 is the smallest. So subtract 1 from all the uncovered element in their respective position. So if I subtract this 1 here, it will be 0. This will be 1. This one also 1. This is 8. This one became, this one remains same. This one became 8. And another uncovered element is here. It will become 5. Then this position here, it will be 2. It will be 6. Then and the last one, this one, it will be 5. And other element remains same. So it will be 0. It will be 0. It will be 8 because it is line is crossing here. This is 6. This is 0. This one 0. This one 4. This one 1. This one 0. This one 11. This one 3. This one 0. This one also 0. And the line which cross this one, these two lines, we have to add 1 to their respective element. Originally it is 3, so it became 4. It is 0, so it became 1. This one 2, so 2 plus 1 3. It is 1, so 1 plus 1 it is 2. So this is the new revised cost matrix. After getting the revised cost matrix, you have to check, you have to draw the lines here also in such a way that it cross, the number of lines should be minimum to cover all the elements. If you perform this one, look at here, it is number of line here is, number of 0 is 1, here it is 2, here it is 1, here it is 1, here it is 2. And column wise, this is 1, this is 2, this one also 2, this one 1, last one is 1. So if I draw a line here, this is line number 1, this is line number 2, then line number 3, I have to put something is wrong here. Now if I draw a line here, I draw a line here, it will be line number 4. If I draw a line to cover this 0, it will be line number 5. Now this is line list 5 and order of the matrix is 5, but this is wrong. because there is another method. If you carefully construct the line, the number of line will be reduced to 4 here. Let's see how can you proceed it. So let's draw a line here. This is the same matrix here. Line number 1, then line number 2, this, then line number 3 is this one, and line number 4 is this one. So the one, so all the zeros are covered by these 4 lines. So construction of the lines is very important as far as this assignment problem is concerned. So this is wrong. So here number of lines 4 is not equal to order of the matrix. So we have to use minimum number of line to cover all the zeros. Here we are using 5 lines, which is incorrect. This is the correct one. After that you have to proceed the same procedure you have to follow. At first you have to find out the uncovered element of this particular matrix. So uncovered element here is 8, another 8 here. Then this is 4, this one, another 1. Then this 6, here, this one 5, and this 11. And cross mark has been done. So this is the cross mark, this one, where 2 lines cross here, this one, and this one. So let mark here actually in this new table. This is where lines are cross, this is where lines are cross, this is where lines are cross. Let's write down the element which will not change. So here 1 will be remain 1, 0 will be remain 0. This is 1, this 0 will be remain 0, 2 will be remain 2. Then here is 0 will be remain 0, this 0 will be remain 0, this 5 will be remain 5. Then here this 0 will be remain 0, this 4 will be remain 4, this 0 will be remain 0, this 2 will be remain 2, this 0 will be remain 0. So among those uncovered element, 1 is the smallest one. So if you minus 1 from all other elements, so it becomes 0. This became 7, this is also 7, this one also 7. And this became 3, this became 5, this became 10, this one also 5. This is also 0 actually, this is also 0. Now you have to add 1 in the intersection element. So this is 1, 1 is 1 plus 1, it is 2. Here it is 6 plus 1, it is 7. This 6 plus 1, it is 7. Then here it is 3 plus 1, it is 4, and this one 3 plus 1, it is 4. Is 4. So after that you have to draw a lines in such a way that it minimum line draw a minimum line to cover all the zeros. So if you observe from this table, that table, what we observe, your number of zero here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our intention is to increase the number of zeros. So if I draw lines here, so this is 3 zeros are there, so I draw one line here. This is line number 1. After that, I draw this line, this one, line number 2. So this is covered, so these two will be covered. On this one, we another line here, L3. Then L4. So if you observe here, so number of lines, zeros, this one is covered, this all are covered now. So number of line is 4, is not equal to order of the matrix, which is 5. Again you have to perform that operation. So let's perform the operation here. So this one, uncovered element, let's find out the uncovered element. This one uncovered element, this one, okay, and minimum is 1 here, okay. Let's find out the cross element. Here is this one, then this one, then this one. These 3 are the cross element. So let's construct the new matrix here. Now if you observe here, among the uncovered element 1, 7, 7, 7, 2, 5, 10, 5, 1 is the minimum one. So here I am writing, this is 0. This became 6, this became 6, this one became 6. This one became 1. This is 4. This is 9. This is 4. Okay. Then those are the cross. So it is, we have to add. So it became 8. This one became 5. And this one also became 5. So this is the reduced matrix. Again we have to draw a lines in such a way that minimum number of line is required to cover all the elements. So a number of zeros in the row is 2, here number of 0 is 2, here number of 0 is 3, here number of 0 is 1, here is 2. Column wise this is 2, this is also 2, this is also 2, this one also 2, this one also 2. So if you observe from this table to that table, what you observe here, number of zeros are 8, here number of zeros is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So number of zeros is increased here. So after that you have to draw the lines. So let's draw the lines here. So I will draw a line here. This is number is 1, 2, 3. So I draw a line here. Number 1. So this is the another one. Suppose L2. Then this one L3. This one L4. Then another one, you can draw this line in horizontal or vertical way it will be same. So I draw a line like this. This is suppose 5. So if you observe here in this table, so number of lines 5, which is equal to order of the matrix. Order of the matrix. So again I am writing this table, this matrix. This is A originally, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's try to assign this one. So at first check from the row wise, this is 2 zeros, so you cannot assign. This is 2 zeros, this is another 3 zeros, so this is a 1 zero is available here. 1 0 in the row, so I assign this. If I assign this, I cannot assign this. Let's come here, this is 2 zeros, I can assign. So again I am doing here, I can assign this one. If I assign this, I cannot assign this. Now the problem is that here 1 2, this 1 0, so here you find, you see, this is the difficult part. So here A is assigned to 1, B we don't know, C we don't know, D is assigned to 3, and E we don't know. Right? So in this scenario you have to select any one. So first we select B, suppose for 2. Let's select this. If I select this one, then you cannot select this. Then you have to assign this. If we assign this, you cannot select one. Then you have to assign this. So if you follow the order, B will be in 2, C will be in 4, and E will be in 5. So this is the assignment by considering this. This is your A, B, C, D, E. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we get the alternative assignment also, because instead of B at 2, if we assign at 4, then scenario will be different. So let's try to understand that also. This is your A, B, C, D, this is E. So we are assigning this, so you cannot assign this. So I am assigning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am assigning this one, so I cannot assign this. So after that, if I, instead of B at 2, if I assign here, so I cannot assign this. In that scenario, I have to assign here. If I assign here, I cannot assign this. Then I have to assign here, and if I assign this, I cannot assign this. So if you observe here, this is A is 1, B is 4, C is 5, D is 3, E is 2. Let's talk about the original problem. So original problem, if you remember, this is the original problem. So this is the original problem. This is the original problem. So let's find out the cost associated with that. A1, this 11. So let's put here 11. For B, it is 2. For B, 2 is 7. For C, 4. C4 means this one. It will be 12. For D3 means this one 17, and E5 is 13. Similarly, I put the value here also for this table. This is 11. B4, B is 4, so it is 6. C5 is, it is 16. D3 is 17. E2 is 10. So let's add 11 plus 7 plus 12 plus 17 plus 13. If you do that, you will get 60. Similarly, 11 plus 6 plus 16 plus 17 plus 10, you will get 60. So this is the minimum cost associated with that. So your assignment, here you will get two alternative assignment, but cost associated with the both the assignment will be same. I hope you understand the assignment problem. Thank you. Stay safe.